Watch your step. It's hard to run with a gaping hole in your foot.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh! Damn. How I open up the game and this is the first thing that I see. What am I about to get into with this chapter here?
Dark deception.
What's up guys, my name is Don Red and welcome back to another video.
7 more to go. One to try for another.
Not really, no, but I don't think I have much of a choice in the matter. Especially dealing with you, Beers. So, we out here with big boobed lady. Honestly, you remind me a lot of Lady Dimitrescu from Resident Evil. Oh yeah, that's right, I can upgrade. So we're just gonna, yeah, there we go. Alright, so our speed boost is, you know, at maximum capacity. And now we're dealing with,
You'll need
pirate.
a speed boost to get across that. Fall into the pit and I think we can both guess where you'll end up.
Hell.
Fortunately for you, I can give you the power to jump across. No, not with those spindly legs of yours. I'm talking teleportation. Go to the ring altar.
Okay. So, what you got for me? Teleportation. I don't think I'm gonna like this ability too much. But let's give it a
Go
shot.
on, give it a try. I'll just add it to your tab.
How do I... Okay, there we go. How do I... Oh. Oh, wrong one. It takes too long to actually show. So if I just... So I have to be still for it to actually show. I feel like I'm not gonna like this ability too much. Deadly Dissidence. Okay.
Keep your eyes open, love. The statues in this place are awfully lifelike.
Is that so? Captain Crunch? So, where do I start? Okay. Shift, right? Yeah. Ah, come on. Now I gotta wait.
A few moments later.
I didn't mean to do that.
I wonder who does the landscaping here. Impressive.
Is it? Hey. Are you looking at me? No. Okay. How? So, you're not just lifelike, you are alive. Noted. Oh! Okay. Oh crap. Did not mean to do that. Uh-oh.
Watch your step. It's hard to run with a gaping hole in your foot.
I mean, we can make it work, right?
In case you were wondering, yes, those footsteps are getting louder.
Uh-oh. Go!
I think it wants to give you a hug. Isn't that sweet?
Oh my god.
Halfway there and you're still alive. I don't
Barely.
know whether to be impressed
Oh.
or disappointed.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh, I think not. I think not, Captain Crunch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's gonna be trouble. 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 Move it on now.
Now that That deserves a facepalm.
Happy?
Watch your step. It's hard to run with a gaping hole in your
Yeah,
foot.
yeah. Uh-oh. Oh! Damn. Oh, yep.
Huh. Maybe you should rub some dirt on it.
This is a jar of dirt. Is that jar of dirt going to help?
In
Crap.
case you were wondering. Yes, those footsteps are getting louder. This zone is clear. Get to the manor.
Working on it.
How nostalgic. I used to have a manor like this. Much bigger.
Okay, I don't think that's the point, Beers. Lord Beers.
Is it terribly rude if you let yourself in unannounced?
Kinda. But in this case, I mean, we don't really have much of a choice.
You found the altar.
Oh,
Now get the rest of the shards.
okay.
A few moments later.
I know it'll make more sense for me to go on the other side, but like, it gives me some time to get. Oh, wow. Almost had me. Almost had me there, playboy.
You've done it. Now get the ring piece while you still can.
Dude,
Watch
damn.
your step, love.
Well, if I died there, it's gonna put me right near it anyway, right? Yeah. Oh, hey, no. What the heck is that? Oh, excuse me. Let's keep it
This
moving.
nightmare is collapsing. You need to get back to the portal.
Is this the way back? I think so. Escape the manor. That's the way out? Alright. Oh, God. Alright, let's hurry up and get through. Baby, I'm here to get through. How do I...
A few moments later.
Because it's not... It's, okay, let's try it here. Man! What the heck is this? Oh. Okay, so I'm sitting here at that part fun. Oh. Oh.
Killed by a statue. You must be crushed.
Dang, so what's on this side? Alright, well this one is not being guarded, so
There's no escape for you.
what the heck? Oh! Oh, what the heck? Why can't I open that? What?
Several days later.
Game had crashed, so we starting back from where I was. Oh, gotta go through this part again. Oh, what the heck happened? Whatever, I'm just gonna take it. Speed boost! Oh! Are you kidding me? Oh, I did a whole circle and then still beat you to it. Give me that level. Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, there we go. Got another one in ya. I died too many times. Alright. Beers. You're no help as usual, but hi.
I didn't think you'd make it this far, love. I really didn't. Who knows? You might just go all the way.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I appreciate it.
If you believe her, you're dumber than you look. Once she gets what she wants, you're done.
So what am I supposed to just trust you? You're an eyeball in a book. And you tried to kill me several times already.
Oh, yes. Trust the bloodthirsty demon. No doubt he has your best interests at heart.
I don't think you have my best interests at heart. I don't trust either one of you, honestly.
6 pieces left. Ready to try again?
What the heck is that? You know what? That's just for the next video to deal with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Not gonna lie, that ending right there, I like how I was just like, I was trying to cut it to the side, but then he ended up going behind it. I had to reach around and get to it, but he was right there. Made it in there just in time. Just in time. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Go ahead and join the Dawn crew. Until the next video, you guys. See ya.